I shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whisper of the Day for Friday, Quadruple Witching Friday, December 17th. Guess what? We got a massive new dark pool level, really the biggest one. It was 14.9 million. I rounded it off to 15 million at 470. They took it higher to sell more. Dark cloud cover on the SPY yesterday. We closed. That is bearish, and it will be a witchy day today. So we're only going to be bullish above 465. That is a retracement trade just for day trading. We're going to be bearish below 462.50, and we did already go below, and we hit one target. 460 is the next big level. That's where that 50 simple moving average is, right here on the daily chart. We'll see if we tag that. Let's head on over to the IWM. IWM, we're going to be bullish above 216. I know I went really high. There was just so much traffic overhead. I just didn't like the retracement trade there. We're going to be bearish below 211.75. And looks like we already tested that. We'll see if we do go down once more. We did have a new dark pool level, 217.55, 2.5 million shares. All right, let's go to the QQQ. All right, the QQQ had a bearish engulfing yesterday, bearish pattern. We're going to be bullish only above 386 and bear below 382.50. We've just gone below that level. You're probably wondering, why did I put the DIA, the Dow Jones Industrial Average ETF? Well, we had a large dark pool level yesterday. It's pretty rare that we get a big level on that, so I needed to bring that to your attention. 359.82, 1.5 million. So when we see this, yeah, big things happen. So bullish above 361, bear below 357. Keep your eye on the Dow today. Let's head on over to the futures. We'll start with those E-minis. We've got bullish above 46.62. I know it's really high up there, but I just didn't like anything. Bear below 46.32.50. We've already gone below the bear below level. Let's head on over to those NASDAQ futures. Bullish above 15,900. Bear below 15,625. And we're not there yet for those guys. Let's head on over to oil futures. All right, oil futures. Just make this a tad smaller. Okay, here we go. Way below the pivot. We're down almost 2% this morning. We're going to be bullish only above 72.26. You can see there's just a ton of resistance. All these pivots are computers loaded to sell. So that's why you'll see me go above there for our up trade, and we'll be bearish below 70.50. We bounced off of it quite a couple of times here. If we do go below, that is our downward trade for oil. Let's head on over to gold, which is shining this week. Yeah, what a great day yesterday. It looks like a nice day today. It looks like we're hitting an upper trend line. Hold on. On my weekly chart, these dashed green lines mean I have a trend line on my weekly chart. Let's just check that out. And let me just zoom in for a second. Yep, we are. It's a pretty big trend line. We'll see if we can punch through that. We're going to be bullish above 18.12.50. We're coming up to that right now. And we're going to be bearish below 18.02.50 all the way down here. Let's see if we could punch above that trend line right now. Let's check out Bitcoin futures. All right, Bitcoin tried to rev up yesterday and failed. Yeah, not looking too good. We're going to be bullish only above 48,000. You can see lots of a staircase of resistance, all these pivots. Bear below 46,500. And if you want to know how to put these pivots on, yeah, come join us in our training pit where we'll teach you how to put these on your chart. They are amazing, life-changing. All right, let's go to Apple. All right, Apple had a bearish engulfing candle yesterday on the daily chart. We actually had two bearish, yep, distribution pattern right here. We talked about this week. I did Wyckoff analysis. We have a dark cloud cover and a bearish engulfing. So looks like we broke the ice this morning. Yep, for a mark down. So we're only going to be bullish above 175.50, bear below 169.80, and we've just gone below that. We're testing that 15 EMA, that blue line. Yep, and doesn't look like it really wants to bounce there, and not too much volume either. We'll see. Usually we do bounce off this moving average. If not, it's going to be really a weak sign there. So let's go to Tesla, which is getting hammered this week. After we had that massive dark pool print, 952.05, 900,000. That's a biggie. Yep. So we have a trade bear below 910 down to this blue trend line. That is the 90 simple moving average. Yep. We should bounce there. But the second test, if we don't hold, will most likely go down to 875, which is the 100 moving average. We'll be bullish only above this print, 952.05. If there is a good retracement trade, I do it to the print. I just didn't love it. There are too many pivots and moving averages in the way. Let's head on over to Lucid, which has been on the whisper every single day. Trying to hang on to that 50 simple moving average on the daily chart. Today we're going to be bullish above 41. And bear below 38.80. We are testing that right now. Let's head on over to Pfizer. All right, Pfizer's been holding up pretty strong. Yesterday, all the drug stocks were up. Bullish above 61 and bear below 60 for a retracement. You can see that every time we've gone above the 4 EMA, it retraces right to it. So that's why I did that trade today, retrace to the 4 EMA. All right, let's head on over to NVIDIA, which is below massive dark pool activity. We are testing that 50 simple moving average. It's the second time we're testing it. We already tested it one time, and of course, computers are loaded to buy. They pushed it up to the 20 simple moving average where computers were loaded to sell, and now we're coming back to that 50. There should be less buyers. We're going to be bullish only above 292.50 today, bear below 275. All right, let's go to gold, which has been heating up big time. We're going to be bullish above 169.50. All right, for gold, bear only below 166.80, but this is a beautiful, accumulation pattern, by the way. Rounded bottom. We have this high volume hammer. We talked about this in the training pit this week, so glad you guys are able to see these patterns coming to life. And we also had dark pool activity, 167.05 and 166.50. Let's head on over to Microsoft, which is below massive dark pool activity, below the 50. We mapped out a great trade yesterday afternoon in the Java pit on the bear side. Today we're only going to be bullish above 329 and bear below 321. FedEx had earnings, and volume is starting to trickle in here. I really did love the trade setup. Is it going to be a gap and go higher, bullish above 253.50, and bear below 250 for a pop and drop, really moving, retracing, to some pretty big moving averages. All right, we got the peanut butter and jelly trade right here. All right, that's our first. So when I put PB, that's what I'm talking about. We could retrace on the daily chart to the 4 EMA. All right, there you have it. Those are your whispers. Just want to let you guys know we're going to get a lot of synthetic dark pool prints today in the block trade indicator. I'm not going to report on those. They all end in zeros. They're all tied to option expirations because it is quadruple witching today. I will only report the ones that are not. They are just only a few, most likely, if we do have heavy dark pool activity on the SPY, Russell, and Qs. I will report those, late. Those are the Levi trades that we talk about. But other than that, it's almost like a day off from reporting on it because, again, there's no bias. These are just trades that are being exited, tied to option expirations. All right, so have a great weekend, everybody. Until next time, happy trading.
My secret